Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So firstly, I'm sorry for being a little MIA for the past month. I know I uploaded my first video and I kind of disappeared, but that was only because I was facing some issues and I feel so much better now and I think I'm ready to finally upload videos on a regular basis. So here I am. So I very recently purchased a lot of items from Nykaa and I thought why not film a haul video. So today's video is going to be a Nykaa haul. So I got a lot of things from skincare to body care to sanitation to even random stuff. So I'm going to go in an orderly manner. First we're going to start with sanitation because it is the need of the hour. Because Corona has been really taking over us, I have been paranoid and I have already been a cleanliness freak before all of this has happened. So sanitizers and disinfectants have always been my best friends, so I am stocking up on those again. So I got two sanitizers for myself. One is the Lifebuoy Immunity Boosting Hand Sanitizer and the other is the Nykaa Clean Hand Sanitizer. It is a 250 ml bottle and it has 70% of alcohol. So I'm not going to talk about the Lifebuoy sanitizer because we all know it. So the Lifebuoy sanitizer retails for 25 rupees and I think for 50 ml 25 rupees it's a really great price and it's a staple. I think mostly everybody has it, so I'm not going to speak about this. The Nykaa sanitizer is something which came out very recently, I assume. For a 250 ml bottle it retails for rupees 125, which I think is really great. It has 70% of alcohol, which is again a great thing because again there are germs everywhere and even Corona has been spreading around and you need to ensure that you're safe. The next thing that I got is a disinfectant spray. Now I already had one by Dettol and it was almost over and I thought of stocking it up. So this one is by Savlon. It's called the Surface Disinfectant Spray. Now the best thing about these are that if you go out, you can spray your chappals or your shoes or your bag or even the packages that come over to your place and it can immediately disinfect it to quite an extent, which is a great thing. And I wanted this bottle so that I can put it in my purse and I can carry it around if I'm going out anywhere. I assume that it's going to be a smaller bottle, but I'm not complaining. This retails for rupees 159, so for 159 a bottle this large is again a very great deal. The next thing that I got is two masks. I got both of them together for rupees 200, which is again quite a nice deal. These are both by Nykaa. I'll wear one and I'll show it to you. It's called KM95. I think these are this is one of the recent launches by Nykaa. It does cover most of my face and I feel protected, which is a great thing. It just is a little suffocating because naturally it's a mask and it is going to limit your breathing to an extent. So other than that, I really liked it. The only problem is that if I'm wearing makeup and I wear this, then I'm going to transfer it on the mask. That's the only concern. We all know lockdown chal raha hai and getting hold of the kind of sanitary napkins you like is also a very difficult task at this point. So I got my most used sanitary napkin, which is Whisper Ultra Nights. It's triple XL and each of them have 10 pads. Now I have PCOD and I'm an extremely heavy bleeder. This one triple XL pad I can fill it up in an hour, which is extreme flow with extreme pain, hence I have to be a little cautious about it. So I got two packets which I know I would probably finish up in just one cycle of my periods. So this was a must, so I got this. So guys, I'm going to be linking all of the products in my description box below, so if you are willing to buy or even view any of the products, you can use the link and it's going to be easier for you. So the next thing that I'm going to be showing you is hair care products. Now I got these three hair care products by Wow Skin Science. One shampoo, one conditioner and one hair oil. So the hair oil that I got is the Onion Black Seed Hair Oil. It is non-sticky, non-greasy. It has onion black seed oil, almond castor oil, olive oil and coconut oils. And it has no minerals and no silicons, which is amazing for your hair. This is a 200 ml bottle which retails for $5.99. The best thing about onion oil is that it helps you prevent hair fall. That's what I've heard. I haven't used any of these products before, so I have to give them a try. So I read the reviews of this product and it has helped quite a lot of people with the hair fall problem, and I'm hoping that it helps me too. The next shampoo and conditioner I've gotten is the coconut milk shampoo and the coconut milk hair conditioner. Now again, it has no sulfate, no silicons, no parabens, all natural for your hair, which is really good. It is made with natural ingredients. It helps in strengthening your hair roots and checks hair loss and premature graying. Again, I told you hair fall is a very big problem of mine, so hopefully these two products work out for me. Next thing that I'm going to show you guys is body care. So I got two body washes. One is by The Body Shop. It's the strawberry shower gel. If you are someone who invests their time in shower and bathing products, and if you enjoy taking a shower, you have to try out the Body Shop shower gel range. It has a lot of varieties, and this one, especially this one, it smells so beautiful and so sweet. It smells exactly like a strawberry, and if you're like me, if you like fruity and sweet scents, then this is the one for you guys. At least give it a try. This retails for about $3.45, and I don't think it's gonna harm anyone to even try this product out. So I would highly recommend you guys to try it out. Trust me, nothing makes your bathing experience better than a really good scent of your body wash. So the next body wash I got is by Love Beauty and Planet. Now this is a very planet safe brand, if you may say. It is vegan, it's cruelty free, and it has all natural materials. It has no dyes, no parabens, no sulfates. I haven't smelled it yet. I don't know what it smells like. You know, you have this cocoa butter Vaseline lotion. It smells quite a lot like that. Now it does seem like a thick consistency for a shower gel. I don't know how it is or how it would be. I have to try these products out. It is a 400 ml bottle and it retails for rupees 450. This one was for rupees 350 and this was 450. Now for the size difference, I think it's valid. The thing that I got is the M-Caffeine body scrub. Now if you don't know me, let me tell you, I am a sucker for body care, skin care, hair care, okay? I tried this product out earlier and I was stunned. Firstly, it has really fine grains of coffee, which is so amazing for scrubbing your legs because it doesn't hurt. It exfoliates your dead skin, and the moment you take the scrub off, your leg is going to be baby soft. Trust me, I'm not lying. It's going to be so soft and so smooth even without a lotion or a body butter. So this is an absolute must, and I really recommend you guys to check this out. This retails for 500 rupees and it is a 100 gram bottle jar, whatever you call it. For body butter, I got the Nykaa Wanderlust Japanese Cherry Blossom. It is a really small tiny tub. Let me tell you, it's a 50 ml tub. It retails for 250. It smells expensive and fancy. I don't know how else to describe it, but it has a very pleasing aroma which I think everybody would be fond of. Now if I put it on my hands, it doesn't feel greasy, it doesn't feel too light, it has the right amount of moisture, which is great. I really think I would use it after my shower, I'm certain. It smells amazing. Can you imagine using a scented body wash and then using this body butter and then spraying some perfume on yourself? You're gonna smell so good. Trust me guys, you guys need to get a good scented body butter and a body wash. It works amazingly. Next we jump on to skincare. For skincare, firstly I got the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. I got two of these. I've almost used up the first one, and let me tell you, if you have oily and acne prone skin, this is the one for you. Coming from me, I've had acne for almost 2 years. I've tried every medicine, I've tried every ointment, every moisturizer, but nothing has worked. I tried this out, and I'll tell you some pros for this. It is gel based. It is super lightweight. You won't even feel like something is there on your skin, and it doesn't irritate your acne, which is, I think, the greatest plus point anybody with acne prone skin can have. The 50-gram tub for rupees 950. It is kind of pricey, I'm not gonna lie, but trust me, for the quality that you get, and even the quantity, by the way, it lasts me almost more than 2 months. It is amazing. If you have a skin type like mine, and if you've done your research, you would probably know what the Aztec clay mask does. If you don't, you can quickly YouTube it up and you'll see so many videos reviewing this one single clay mask. Now this mask is apparently the holy grail for acne prone skin. It is going to show drastic changes very soon. Indian Healing Clay, world's most powerful facial deep pore cleansing. Now it has a lot of claims and I hope it fulfills them. It is 454 grams and it retails for 1440. Now I know it's a bit pricey, but trust me, the quantity that you get, you're not going to regret it. On to the next item. Now I have all random items. So I got a nail polish remover and a nail paint. So the nail polish remover by Faces Canada is the Insta Remove Dip and Twist Nail Remover. I tried it out and it's super easy. You just put your finger in, you twist the container and your nail paint is going to come off. I think everybody should have it. The next product, and I was so happy that I purchased this, is the Nykaa nail polish. It's in the shade Purple Unicorn 180. It's a very pretty lilac shade and I have put it on. The nail paint is so beautiful. I just put on one coat and it completely coated my nails out. It did not leave any spots, nor is it too thin. I literally fell in love with this. Honestly, I am looking forward to buying more shades in this range. So if you're looking for a nail paint, I would definitely suggest this range by Nykaa. With this, we come to the end of the video. If you have any doubts, you can always ask me questions in the comment box and I'll make sure I reply to you. If you enjoyed my video, make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
1, 2, 3, funky.